In large-scale software organizations, maintaining consistent code quality across teams and repositories is essential for reliability, compliance, and long-term maintainability. GitHub Code Quality brings powerful, enterprise-ready insights, now available in public preview, with smarter, more flexible, and easier-to-manage capabilities. GitHub Code Quality provides developers and their teams with comprehensive visibility and control over software health, allowing them to track maintainability and technical debt across repositories, surface risks and actionable guidance before they reach production, and enforce quality gates to embed organizational policies directly into development workflows. GitHub has extended the capabilities of code quality, starting with the ability to run quality analysis independently from code scanning, providing greater flexibility in managing and optimizing analysis workflows. We've also introduced AI-powered detection to identify complex code issues and accelerate remediation. A new code quality dashboard that is populated with insights from our static analysis engine, CodeQL. And with self-hosted runner support, teams can now perform quality analysis securely within their own enterprise infrastructure. Here's how it works in practice. Developers submit pull requests and receive immediate AI-enhanced quality feedback. Teams can then address issues early, guided by automated insights. Quality gates enforce compliance, preventing risky code from being merged. Get early access to configure quality gates, leverage AI-driven insights, and streamline governance across your organization. Empower your teams to deliver secure, reliable, and maintainable software at scale.